almond flour pancakes. It's all the rage. So you get out a bunch of stuff. And if you're going to put any amount of blackstrap, it's very little. I never measure it. I just get the bare minimum out, and ground cloves, cinnamon. Oh, and sea salt. What the hell is the difference? Sea salt and oil. Can you see what I added in this clip? Look at those, eh? It says free range, and I believe they are. I got these from a co-worker, Jackie, also known as the Angel of Guidance, on her YouTube channel. So yesterday I did, this is day 2 of it. I did the same thing yesterday, just to see if it would work. These eggs are great. One was a double yolker. Look at that. You got to put some of that in. Always put a little bit of lemon in my pancakes. Yeah, if I had a camera person, this would go a lot smoother. But anyway, so you're not going to see me cracking eggs necessarily, or, well, we'll just see how it goes. These turn out so nice. Action. Well, the dry ingredients are just about in there, and I almost forgot magic powder. Look at that. How would they look without baking powder? I know, because I've done it before. I even tried to make bread without putting yeast in it. Oh wait, what? He didn't have all this stuff out there to start with. Raisins, hemp hearts, blueberries. Yeah, we put some of that in too. Oh, and I can't crack them with one hand. That'll just show you how it looks. Fresh eggs. Farm fresh, free range, and all that. Doesn't look like much yet, but wait till I whisk it up and throw in some milk. And we're ready to cook. Yeah, it probably looks like a lot of raisins and blueberries for that little bit of flour. There's a cup and a quarter or something like that. And the hemp hearts. That's how we do it. Look at that. There's a thing of beauty. So while those are cooking, I'll tell you a story about the old days. Say if you had like a wood stove, not like one of these things you just turn it on and boom, it's hot. Well, say you get some punky wood and you put it in there. The secret to getting the top of the stove hot is to heave in a couple of buffalo chips to start with. Of course, nobody knows what buffalo chips are anymore. I'll let you look that one up. Oh, look at them. If that isn't golden brown, what is? And I hope you're getting on with your studies of buffalo chips, because it's really a cool story. If you find the right website to look it up, or head down to the library, look up prairie life in the 1800s. You know, it's not good to brag, but hey, look at how well I can flip pancakes. There's almost no room on that griddle for those huge pancakes. None of them went over the side very far. Yeah, pretty good, eh? Oh, what a lovely stack of pancakes. Yeah. And did you look up buffalo chips? Well, I did. If you go on YouTube, all these 21st century people, they don't know what buffalo chips. They think it's something that Comes on the plate with buffalo wings, I guess. But the University of Nebraska has a different story. Look it up. It's worth reading. Good reading. That's all for now. I'm not even sure if I mentioned the buttermilk and vanilla extract, but I use it. And you can get different varieties of buttermilk, but this happens to be 3.25. Actually hard to get right now after the problems they had over in Sumas Prairie. That was a big cesspool over there. And just before I finish this video, I might go outside and take one shot so you see the snow. There is a lot of snow out there. That's the way. Yeah, you kill that rat. She thinks it's a rat today. Yesterday, well, it looks like you have to play with your dog for at least 30 seconds, or it ain't right. The magic of the camera, you can always fudge a little bit. So this is the third batch. Put twice as much milk in it. See that? The only problem is, without a cameraman, I got the bowl way over here, and I'm dripping all the way across, which is just it's no good. But I wanted to make a thinner pancake. The other ones were like, they should have been cooked in a muffin tin or something. But they're really good either way. Okay, the other thing, you can have a contest if you really give a shit, or say you had 1 million subscribers and you're getting lots of views and whatnot. You could get the people to imagine they see faces in your pancake, and then you'd give them a made in China spatula or something if somebody guessed the same thing that you did, or another person did, or I know, who cares. But doesn't that look like that those 3 dots there? Couldn't that be like the chain of a locket that you'd tie around your dog's neck? Well, like that dog, for example. There. Hey, what you doing there? Are you whining? Are you hungry? We fed you this week. You already ate this week. Yeah. These dogs, eh? I know, you're decent enough. I don't even know how I could be so good. Well, I haven't tasted them yet, but they're a little thinner. Not like a big, thick muffin. They're going to be lovely. Yeah, so it's January 1st. Actually, I made pancakes 3 times this week. Well, you know, practice makes perfect, and they are good. They were good the first time. But it's warm today. It's like up to -4 or something. This weather's been rotten. And now it's going to rain, I guess, tomorrow. Happy New Year, everyone, from Mission, BC. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.